We understand the Australians are having it tough these days, especially our younger members. If you haven't seen the video, check out "Is it tough to be an Aussie now?" to find out the reality. We took the question back to the US, where the answers weren't very different across Gen Z, Millennial and General X. Many Americans members shared their financial frustrations, and we compiled them into a video for your easy viewing. Here are 10 common financial challenges that you may also be facing. Many Americans struggle with student loan debt, limiting their ability to save, invest, or make significant financial decisions. Jessica from Massachusetts tells us that she finds it difficult to afford other essential expenses after paying over $1,000 per month towards her student loans. Affordable housing options are becoming scarce, particularly in major cities, resulting in high housing costs relative to incomes. David from Washington, D.C. explains that he spends more than half of his monthly income on rent, leaving little room for living expenses and other financial priorities. Many Americans are experiencing stagnant wages, making it challenging to keep up with increasing costs of living. Lisa from Illinois has been working at her company for 5 years without a pay raise, making it difficult for her to save or invest. Americans struggle with high levels of credit card debt and personal loans, which can hinder their financial security. They have less savings to cover unexpected expenses. John from Texas had to resort to taking on high-interest payday loans when his car broke down unexpectedly. Retiring seems to be a fantasy for many young Americans. They find it difficult to plan and save due to competing financial demands, such as student loan payments, housing costs, and healthcare expenses. Mike from Florida is putting his retirement plan on ice after realizing that he can't even save enough to support himself now. Medical expenses continue to rise, and many Americans face challenges in affording quality health care. Emily from New York experienced difficulty in paying for her mother's cancer treatment, even with health insurance coverage due to high deductibles and copayments. The high cost of childcare prevents many parents from re-entering the workforce or pursuing higher-paying opportunities. Jennifer from Georgia had to stay home with her child as the cost of childcare outweighed her potential income. You would think that banking is available to everyone in the U.S.? Unfortunately, some individuals, particularly in low-income communities, still lack access to basic banking services. This leads to reliance on expensive alternative financial services. Maria from Alabama relies on costly check cashing services as she doesn't have access to a bank account. The rise of the gig economy has provided flexibility but also increased financial insecurity for many young Americans. The proliferation of videos and social media posts about how easy it is to make money online and without effort in the gig economy doesn't help either. Mark from Ohio has been struggling with irregular income and uncertainty around future projects as a freelancer. This makes it challenging for him to budget effectively. By watching our video on "Are Americans Financially Illiterate?" you'll realize that the U.S. is facing a financial literacy crisis. The lack of fundamental financial knowledge can lead to poor financial decisions and limited opportunities for wealth accumulation. Alex from Ohio suffered significant losses as he didn't understand the risks involved in his investment decisions. As cost of living and housing continue to increase across most of the U.S., more Americans will struggle under the weight of these financial challenges. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach involving education, policy changes, and increased opportunities for financial security. You too may be heaving a financial ball and chain now. But you don't have to go at it alone. Subscribe to the Better Foundation channel and join our community. We'll help you and fellow members search for ways to work better, earn better, save better, invest better and retire better in light of the tough financial circumstances. In the coming videos, we'll share practical steps to become financially secure again. This video is part of our Live Better series, where we help you make better sense of your situation and choices, so you can make more informed financial decisions. In this way, you're taking steps that bring you closer to achieving your FIRE goals. Support the Better Foundation today and join us on the road to achieving and enjoying a better life.